We're taking a look right now from our DBU cam. Right now, just looking at some cloud cover, not looking at any rain in this area, but just to the south, we are looking at a flash flood warning. We talked about this at the top of the hour, but Hill and Johnson County, very far portions of Johnson County, under a flash flood warning until 5:30, so another 12 minutes or so. Rain coverage looking like it's lowering, but this is very slow moving. As it moves to the north, it is helping bring in some rain across areas of the Metroplex, including southern Dallas County, Ellis County, northern Johnson, Tarrant County, and as well as Parker County. So you might be running into areas of very light rain this morning. That's what you got to plan for. Otherwise, it's cloudy and it stays cloudy the remainder of the day. That's really where the bulk of our rain is right now. It'll slightly move towards the north here in the next couple of hours. Between 5 to about 7 or 8, we'll continue to see this rain move over the Metroplex, but it will be on the lighter side. I am not expecting this to be widespread severe weather, but it could cause some headaches on the roads this morning. And this will continue through the mid-morning. Late morning, it does clear out. However, in the afternoon, we'll see some added activity, mainly to the east and south of the Metroplex. So between noon and about 4, you'll notice these thunderstorms popping up. About 30% coverage. That means most of us won't see the rain. Now, at this point, just because of how much rain we have seen and how much moisture we're working with, any thunderstorm that develops today can cause some brief heavy rainfall that could lead to areas of flooding like we saw last week. That's not going to be the case for everyone, but the potential is there. In our southeastern counties around 7 or 8, we could see some added activity, and then it starts to generally clear out tonight. And we are going to see temperatures that are lower along our eastern counties in the 80s, but a high near 91 in Dallas, Denton about 90 in Fort Worth and in McKinney. As far as how much rain, we could pick up a quick quarter to half an inch of rain here through tomorrow, because tomorrow we have a very isolated potential to see a thunderstorm or two. Now, ridge of high pressure, it is going to scoot slightly towards the east. However, in the next few days, we will see it take over much of the southern half of the U.S., and that's what's going to cue rain to stop. It's going to bring drier days, and it's going to crank up the heat and the humidity. So over the next few days, we'll see temperatures climbing into the low 90s Monday, Tuesday, and on Wednesday. We're going to see highs in the mid to upper 90s for the second half of the week. The heat index on any given day will be in the triple digits. Rain really significantly lowering here in the next several days. 30% coverage today, but down to about a 10% on Tuesday. So for the 14-day forecast, we're looking at highs again in the low 90s today because of the cloud cover. 93 on Tuesday. After Tuesday, rain chances shut off. And we're looking at highs in the mid to upper 90s. Now, I do have a few days that get very close to that triple-digit mark next week, but not quite adding it into the forecast just yet. On average, the first one happens early July, and Brianda not seeing it just yet. How are